ya doing? How ya doing? How you mom and them? Welcome to Blue North channel with a little announcement, not announcement, just a reminder. Run that intro, we'll talk about it. Gonna look on the man's heels. Oh, hey friends, how y'all doing? Wonder where they going. I don't know, they going that way. I'm going this way. Some bagger bros, my bagger bros, you know. Ooh, 67 degrees in the shade. Got dampness in the air, feel like cool on the arm. 66.2. It's falling and I can't help it. Oh, what we're going to talk about? We're talking about VAMM. Just a quick reminder. No, we're trying to get people to bring a door prize, bring a gag gift, bring something motorcycle related, YouTube related. I got a couple ideas I've been thinking about. Bringing a couple of door prizes, you know, under $25. You know, inflation, you know. I would have said 15, but, you know, FJB, you know, the inflation and everything, so 25 will get you 15. I don't know, but yeah, just something, a gag gift, something funny, something to make people laugh, something to go with their motorcycle they might not know they needed or something, you know. Just to make more personal things of value. That's VAMM's, you know, coming up quick, July the 10th, 11th really to start. That'd be Thursday. Everything's going to be at the back of the Dragon Welcome Center there in Tazewell, Virginia on July the 11th, with you know, and goes to the Saturday the 13th. Then Sunday we'll pack up and head to the house, say goodbye to everybody. There is another little event going on. I don't want to call it an event, but it's a birds. The other little event is the pre-VAMM Dragon Week, as someone's calling Black Phoenix Entertainment. Christopher David Lawson of DePaul, Technic Moto, yeah, I believe that's his name. I get him and Tech Moto mixed up. We're gonna ride the back of the Dragon. We're meeting in Maryville on the 8th, July the 8th. July the 9th, we're riding the Dragon and other roads in the mountains, and then June 10th we headed to Tazewell, so we'll be there July the 10th. What else? Don't forget your shirts. I think she said June 24th. I'm gonna have this put out before then, so if you ain't got your shirts, and they gonna be green, look like this year, cool. So they're black and gray. So they look pretty good. You go check out Mr. G, and I'll try to put the link down there in the description for the Facebook group, so you can order them through Mrs. G's PayPal them and all, and get them pre-ordered, you know, so you have a slow death in the family. Ain't we all dying of a slow death? Unless you died certainly in a car accident. Oh, I'm just rambling. So, yeah. That's about all I got, just a reminder, you know, you don't have to bring it, but it would help. It would just make everybody, you know, just have something to give away. we got some awards to give out, Father's Ride, the Dang It Ride, I don't know what else ride we're going to call it. Yeah, so I believe that's covered everything. We'll see, hopefully we'll see you in VAMM. It's a cool event. You don't have to be a YouTuber. But if you're watching this, I guess you are a YouTuber, but you don't have to make videos. You just want to come out and visit your favorite YouTubers from all over the south, north, the east coast. Yeah, the southeast coast, south coast, north coast, north. Yeah, maybe some more Canadians will come back down. I hope so. Superman Kevin's pretty cool folk. Anyway, go check out that video right about there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment too. Save me your comment. We'll see you in VAMM. or later. Bye.